It's lunchtime at Lupere Regenerative Agro Hub. The animals are excited. Today we just want to share with you how we formulate our pig feed. Chawezi. So we have seen some of the stuff that you use for making. For example, you use this premix base whose elements and all the nutrients are already in there mixed. I remember in the past we used to have all the different elements put together ourselves. So let me just perhaps look at this particular premix. So this premix base is for pig grower. Chawezi, how many or how much of this do you put if you are to make, say, 500 kg of feed?
When making 500 kg, we put 10 kg of pig grower base mix.
What else do you put in?
Apart from the base mix, we put in soya. So use wheat bran, as you can see.
Okay.
Yes. So for wheat bran, for 500 kg, we put 50 kg of wheat bran.
Okay. Also, just confirm, you also use the livestock lime.
Yes, livestock lime as well.
How many kgs?
Livestock lime, we put 8 kg.
Okay, for every 500?
Yes, for every 500 kg of feed.
Okay. Yeah. So what is missing in this mixture this far?
This far, we have put everything except for the base mix and limestone.
So, okay, would you do just that? Okay, so the gentleman is just opening this grower premix. So we are making feed for grower. So we don't have machinery. A lot of it is really manually done. So you can see we have maize meal number 3, about 300 kgs put here. We have low fat soya 50 kg. We have full fat soya 50 kg. And then now the premix we are putting there. The gentleman here is waiting with a shovel, and we just mix using that shovel. This formulation is much cheaper than the commercial formulation, and we have tried many formulations, and we find this to be good as it provides the required nutrients for the growth of the pigs. So, Mr. Kachinga, what are you doing? Muchita chane hapo?
Hapa niwe ingalayimu.
Munzachita ma kgs yangati?
Ma kg cha 8 kg.
In summary, Chawezi, so what are the mixtures here?
The mixtures, there is maize meal number 3, which is 300 kg. Then also have soya beans, which is 100 kg. Yes, then also have meat bran, 50 kgs.
Okay.
Then we also have 10 kg of pig grower base mix.
Okay.
And then lastly, we have lime, which is 8 kg.
So in total, that gives us,
In total, that gives us 500.
Go, guys. Okay, so now we are trying to mix this. Yeah, it's quite some labor, but it's some labor, but yeah, it's working. It's working. But my guys are sort of used with this. I do it once in a while, only as an exercise, really. It's quite something else. Yeah. So when we take the feed to the piggery, you just hear the noise, as most of the animals know that it's feeding time. it's feeding time. The animals are making noise now. They can smell the coming of the feed. Oh, sorry guys, this is not for you. These are for winners. There is survival of the fittest here. Everyone wants to get a bite of that. So, how do you feed these? What are these, and how often do you feed them?
So these ones are winners. We feed them twice in a day.
How many kgs does each one of the animal get?
Each animal gets 1 kg. So we give them half a kg, which is twice.